We're large enough that we can already have VPSs spun up ahead of time. When you want a VPS, chances are good we've got the VPS that's exactly right for you already set to go.
We use OpenStack, which allows us to run a private cloud in our data center. We can install operating systems, we can migrate things from here to there, we can make sure all of our capacity is used real time without operator intervention.
One of the key ideas around the term cloud is the idea of elasticity in resources.
You can add processors, you can add memory, you can even add disk space, and it's as easy as pushing a button.
You want it, you got it, it's immediate, it's elastic.
We have a terrific SAN product here. It's one that we built on our own. It's designed to be fast as fast can be. If you're on a benchmark, you'll see that it's extraordinarily fast storage.
When a customer writes to disk, we've got some caching layers in between the customer's storage and our SAN that allows that write to go through instantaneously.
No one else has this type of persistent, fast, scalable, partitioned storage. And it's all built on open source technology. And so as a result, we don't have to charge the prices that everyone else does.